Hi. I know we're going to be reading a lot of really fun books this year, but I thought it would be fun to read just a smidgen of a book that we can finish when school starts. This book is called The Rule That Doesn't Apply to Me. I love this book. It's kind of funny, but it talks about some really good things and rules that we should be aware of. It's by Julia Cook. My name is Norman David Edwards, but everybody calls me Noodle. It's kind of a weird name. Sometimes I get into trouble because I don't follow the rules. But I think there are way too many rules anyway. There can be a lot of rules, I agree. We have rules that say you can't eat here, and rules for don't pick your nose. Gross. Rules for people who drive. Why should I care? I don't drive. At school, we have rules for everything. No hitting, no butting in line, don't cheat, don't run in the halls, you have to raise your hand. Hey, Noodle, please stay in your seat. At home, I have a gazillion rules. No, Noodle, you can't have a pet mouse. My mom's not home, then I can't have friends over. And I can't wear my shoes in the house either. I can't have my computer or my video games in my room overnight. It's 10 p.m., Noodle. Bring your fun stuff to my room. Aw, Mom, that just isn't right. You need to get your sleep, though. We have rules that say brush your teeth twice a day and put your dishes in the sink. And I have rules for every ounce of my life. And I think most of them stink. Do you know, your breath would be stinky if you didn't brush your teeth twice a day. Yesterday at school, when it was time to line up for lunch, I walked over to stand by my friends in line. Teacher! Noodle butted. Noodle, we have a rule for cutting in line, and you just broke the rule. But that rule doesn't apply to me. I need to stand by these guys, or I'll end up sitting by girls at lunch. Noodle, rats. I ended up sitting by Mary Gold. I'm going to stop there, and we will finish the book during the school year, in the beginning of the school year. So, thanks for listening, and I hope you're excited about it so we can finish it once school starts, okay? Bye.